Tip to lighten skin tone in Affinity Photo. First, select your image. Then take a selection brush tool and select the entire image. We need to keep the background separate, so we are doing these steps so that there is no effect on changing the background. After that, go to Refine. Clear up some harsh edges around the selection area. And keep output as a new layer with a mask. The background image will automatically get hidden, so activate the background layer. Now go to Layer. New Fill Layer. From here, pick a light orange color. Then hold the layer and clip it on the image like this. Select the fill layer and change the blending mode to divide. Use some levels. If you found this video helpful, then watch the next video on your screen, you will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.